So my daughter is just about to turn 11, so I've done it for her. Yes, I love doing animated voice work for my girl. Yeah, I'm sure she thinks I'm ridiculous because in every single one I just sound a bit different and a bit weird, but she loves it. I come from theatre, and you use musical theatre, so you use your voice all the time, and I love that I can go into a booth, I can literally have just rolled out of bed 5 minutes before, and you can create a character completely with your voice, yeah? I mean, you know what's pretty cool? For me, John Goodman, isn't he here? Isn't he just epic? I love him. So for me, that was the pull. And obviously, there's this little-known singer in it called Rihanna. Because every movie should be seen in the theaters, people. Fact. You can watch it afterwards on TV, but see it how the director intended. You know? And why would you not want to see, like, these little boo people massive?